Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys where to find the new paintbrush tool in 99 Nights in the Forest. And let's get straight into the video. So now this tool, it's not too difficult to find. It should actually be right in front or right inside the fishing hut where you get the fishing rod. So basically once you make your way over to the trees and you fill out the campfire once, you should be able to get it, and I can show you exactly where to find it as well. So again, you will need to make your campfire make it light up at least once, and then once the map expands and gets bigger, you should automatically be able to have it. Let's go do one more tree, and then we should be good. But anyways, once you get I think there is about five of them. So if you have a full 5-player party, it's not like one person is not going to be able to get it, but you will be all able to get it. So you can go ahead and make your way over to the fishing hut, which is right over there. Now I forgot you can sprint. Yeah, once you make your way over to this place, you should just go inside, and then there will be the paintbrush right here, and now you have a paintbrush. Now from what I know, I think you can only use it to paint structures in your base. So I believe in the circle, that's the only thing that you can actually paint. So yeah, other than that, that should basically be it. I do believe you have to craft some other stuff as well, like for the decorations, to actually be able to paint them. Other than that, yeah, that should basically be it. So that is it for the video. That is where to find the paintbrush tool. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.